Let's go to operation the ZLCONN HDD Machine. Lift the boom. Drilling angle 10-20 degrees. Max. Reaming diameter 1500 mm swallow dependent. Max. Crossing distance 1000 meters swallow dependent. Max. Gradability 20 degrees. Put down the boom. The boom is very thick and smooth. Enter the cabinet and begin drilling. Push-pull motor, electric proportional plunger motor. 4 motors 480T, 4 plus 2 motors 48120T. Push-pull reducer 4 reducer 480T, 4 plus 2 reducer 48120T. The rotating torque up to 3500 N, and the swing speed up to 150 revolutions per minute. The maximum push-pull force is 120 kN. Push-pull speed up to 50 meters per minute. Drill run 100 to 600 ohm. Both rotary. Push-pull adopts the American Dancer's closed variable system. The rotation adopts the Italian Sun variable plunger motor. And the push-pull adopts the American Dancer's variable plunger motor. The rotation adopts proportional control, and the speed can be adjusted separately. Optional rotating manipulator to make ingot up and down more efficient and safe. Crane can bear weight 2 times. Can rotate 360 degrees. Use high quality wire rope. It is very easy and safe for the crane to lift the drill pipe up and down. Here are the hydraulic cylinders and vice jaws. Clamping device clamp the drill rod. Rotate this rotatable cap to watch the operation. Working speed 2, 5, 4. Both match.